Good morning. Good morning. I've styled my hair for the day and I am on my way out. And if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, keep watching and listen for one of my end of the year messages. Have a great day. Have a great day. I decided to make one change to the back of my hair. I've already done the twist on the opposite side and taking it to the back. And now I am just doing the other side. And I think I'm going to stop there. I'm going to go out for a little while because the weather is a little better. It's raining, but although it's raining, it's not as cold as it has been. And I'm going to take advantage of that. My throat is a bit scratchy from the change in the temperature and the environment, but I am much improved. And I think that was pretty much my 360. You saw the back, you saw the front, but I'm going to do it again because some people may not be pleased. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because God has been so good to me. We've made it to the end of another year. It doesn't even seem like it was that long ago that we were waiting on 2022. And now we're waiting on 2023. And I thank God for how He's kept me and my family together throughout all of our challenges. Some that you know and some that you don't. But God has been gracious. And He's kept us strong. He keeps lifting us up. And I believe that what He's doing is just drawing us closer to Him. And I have no better sense than to walk in His direction. For we walk by faith and not by sight. Have a great day.